In an exclusive interview with Xinhua, Raja Sipta Oktowhari, chairman of the National Olympic Committee Indonesia, expressed high expectations for the upcoming 19th Asian Games in China's Hangzhou.
Of course, we are so excited. I've never been to Hangzhou before, and we still remember when we passed the flag from Indonesia to Hangzhou during Asian Games and Asian Para Games 2018. And I cannot wait to see our athlete, official, they all gather and showing the highest performance of all athletes from the whole Asia. We will send approximately 415 athletes with officials, of course. So around 600 plus. We will participate in 31 sports covering 42 disciplines. Of course, my aim, my goals is to get more gold as much as possible. Yeah, of course, we are looking opportunity to cooperate each other, and because we can make mutual advantage of this cooperation, since we understand China, one of the strongest country in the world, so we can learn so much from China. We want to show more Indonesian to the proper way of building structure of sport. And I believe China has a very good example, reference for all of that. So hopefully after Asian Games, after back from Asian Games Hangzhou, we can have more proper infrastructure for sport. We are looking forward for a great games will be hosted by Hangzhou and in Yi, Cheche, Hangzhou, Yinhui.